everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I am very happy to see you here. Today I have a very special story to help you improve your English. In this lesson, I will talk slowly and clearly. After every sentence, I will pause. This way, you can repeat after me. First, listen carefully. If you want more time, pause the video. You can also watch it again many times. Now, let's start with today's story. It is about a young woman named Alana. She has been studying English for a few years. Her English is not perfect, but she speaks and understands quite well. One day, she needs to travel to another state in the US, and something funny happens on her trip. Do you want to know what? Let's find out. So, are you ready to practice with me? Let's get started. My name is Elena. Today, I am traveling to another state. I have my ticket. I have my bag. I am ready. But today is not the same as usual. I don't go to my normal airport. This time, I go to a new airport. Why? Because the ticket is cheaper there. I think, great, I can save money. But I don't know this airport. It's my first time. Now I arrive. I see many cars, I see signs, but where is the airport? I don't see the check-in counters. I feel confused. Where do I go now? Then I notice a bus. On it, I read the word shuttle. I think, do I need this bus? I ask a man, "Excuse me, does this bus go to check-in?" He answers, but I don't understand him. He speaks too quickly, too fast. I just smile and say, "Thank you." Then I step onto the bus. I hope this bus is correct. Maybe it will take me to the check-in place. But soon, I notice a problem. Inside the bus, there are no signs. There are no screens. I don't know the bus stops. I don't know when to get off. I think maybe I will see the airport when we stop. Maybe it's simple. The bus starts moving. It turns left, then right. I wait and wait, but I still don't see an airport. I don't see check-in anywhere. Then the bus stops. I look outside. Oh no, it's the same place I started. I'm back at the parking lot. I think, what? How is this possible? I just went in a circle. Now I feel lost. Should I try again? Should I ask someone else? I sit quietly, not sure what to do. Then the bus driver looks at me. He says, "You didn't get off." I reply, "I didn't know where to get off." The driver laughs and says, "Don't worry, I'll help you." I feel a little better. Maybe this time it will work. So we go again. The bus moves. I see the same roads, the same buildings. I think, okay, I remember this. Then the bus stops. But the driver says nothing. I feel unsure. Should I get off now? I wait. The bus starts again. I think, oh no, maybe that was the stop. Now I feel nervous. What if I miss it again? The bus stops. This time the driver says, "Not yet." I realize he is watching me. He says, "Relax, I know where you need to go." I thank him. But still, I'm worried. What if I miss my flight? Then at last, the bus stops. The driver points and says, "Here it is. Check-in is right there." I feel so happy. But then he smiles and says, "You just took the full tour. First ride is free." I feel embarrassed, but at least I finally arrived. I get off the bus. The driver points again and says, "Go straight. You will find check-in." I thank him. I walk a little. Yes, I see the counters. I think, finally, I made it. I check my phone. Yes, my ticket is there. Everything is okay. I walk to the line and wait. Then, suddenly, I hear a voice. It's the same bus driver. He stops, opens the door, and shouts, "Hey, you forgot something." I panic. Did I leave my bag? I run to the bus and ask, "What did I forget?" He laughs and says, "You forgot to wave goodbye." I blink. Is this a joke? Yes, he laughs, I laugh. Then he says, "Next time, ask which stop is yours, and don't take the full tour again." I say, "Yes, you're right. Next time, I'll ask more questions." He drives away. I stand there and think, next time, I must be more careful. Airports are not always easy, but I made it. I am here. Now I'm ready for my flight. This story is funny, but also important. When we are in a new place, we don't always understand. People may speak too fast. We may feel lost. But that's okay. We're learning. Mistakes are part of learning. In this story, I didn't know where to get off. I went in circles, I felt confused and scared, but finally I found my way. This is just like learning English. Maybe you don't understand every word. Maybe you don't say things perfectly. Maybe you feel shy, but don't stop. Keep practicing. Every mistake makes you stronger. You don't need perfect English. You just need to speak and connect. And people will help you, just like the driver helped me. So remember, it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to feel lost. You are improving every day. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep shadowing. You are not only learning English, you are learning to be confident. One day, you will look back and say, "I remember when English was hard, but now I can speak without fear." Now let's check some useful phrases and vocabulary from Elena's story. These words and expressions you can use when you travel or even in daily life. The driver said, "You'd better ask which stop is yours." You'd better not take the full tour again. What does "you'd better" mean? It means it is a good idea to do something. It's strong advice. For example, you'd better study. You'd better ask questions. You'd better not be late. If you say you'd better not, it means don't do it. Example, you'd better not wait too long. You'd better listen carefully. Elena also said, "I'd better ask more questions next time." This means she gave advice to herself. Now, repeat after me. You'd better ask for help. You'd better not wait too long. I'd better listen carefully. I'd better learn from this. Another useful phrase is, "What just happened?" Elena used it when she felt surprised and confused. It's a common question in daily life. Example, the bus returned to the same place. What just happened? You missed the stop? What just happened? Someone says something strange? What just happened? Now practice with me. What just happened? I don't understand. What just happened? Wait, what just happened? Great work! Now you know 2 new expressions. You'd better and what just happened? Both are simple and useful in daily life. Thank you for practicing with me today. Remember, you can watch this lesson again and again. Repetition will make your English stronger. And don't forget, learning English is not about being perfect, it's about being brave. So keep practicing, keep asking questions, and enjoy the journey. See you in the next video.